No talking.
Okay, do you remember? Okay, so here's how it goes. Yeah, I know this only two. I'm trying to do it slowly.
No talking.
Repeat.
No talking, no talking.
I think I understand. I did.
No, it's a moment.
Countless of times.
Pwede maganito na tayo ng tapos. So, sabihin niyo na basta ko natapos yung sa
Okay.
Isip lang na bisito.
Tapos na?